We've seen it in other parts of the country, and today pandemonium broke out in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly over the Shopian rape and murder case. PDP leaders, including Mehbooba Mufti, created a ruckus, with Mufti even walking up to the well of the House and grabbing the microphone from the Speaker's table. Mufti was then escorted out of the Assembly. Even as the sloganeering continued, police were forced to interfere in the ruckus and led a number of ministers out of the Assembly as tempers continued to flare. For more than a month, remember, Shopian has been on the edge over the double murder and rape of two women. In fact, Times Now spoke to PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti herself, who was unapologetic and said the Speaker provoked her into acting in the manner that she did. Mufti also said that the Speaker got a taste of his own medicine.
Speaker allowed the BJP to take up their issues. He allowed the National Conference MLA from Handwara to take up his issues. So we said, if you are taking other issues, then we also want to raise the human rights violation issue, especially about Shopian, which he did not allow. So we went into the well. But unfortunately, instead of talking to us and allowing us to take up our issue, he was asking not only the ward but also the staff, which he should not do as a speaker. He should not ask the staff of the assembly, please drag this lady out of the. But does it behove a speaker to use a derogatory language about a lady and tell the staff to drag the lady out, and the chief minister is just sitting and doing nothing? I just touched the mic in front of the speaker and he got so angry. But he literally got me dragged out of the house. Nobody is talking about that. Partially, he allowed the BJP to take up their issues. He allowed the National Conference. He should not have done it. If he wanted to do, he should have sought the permission of the House to change the business of the House. He did it arbitrarily. When we demanded the same, he did not allow us to do so. What do? We went to the well and then he started shouting, drag them out, drag this lady out, and the Chief Minister was watching. How can we allow it to happen? They need to accommodate us. Well, if they don't allow us to debate things which are very important for the security, for the honor, dignity and day-to-day affairs of the people here in Jammu and Kashmir, and if they misbehave the way, if he uses the same derogatory, if they want to drag us out, then they should also be prepared to be dragged out of the assembly. They will have to face them that.